Hello from Mallorca, Spain. This is Port Vale, or something like that, on the east coast of Mallorca, and it is day 3 of my vacation here in Mallorca out of 15 days. So lots of days left. It is today 21st of April, and White Monday, is it called, or Good Monday? Something like that, for Easter. So happy Easter to everyone that is celebrating. And today is also Red Day in many countries as well, including Spain. It is 3:15 p.m. and I am ready for another beach adventure with Chris. And I have been now walking north of my hotel Sunwing and came to this nice beach. I was actually heading to the beach next to this one that is marked, as this one is not marked on the map, but it's quite nice, and the water is looks very nice. It's not that big with sand, but it's decent, I would say. So I just wanted to show you this beach as well on my channel. So there is no official name on Google Maps, but it is close to the city or village actually of Port Vale, so I will call it like that, Latvia de Port Vale. And it seems like inside, after the sandy entrance, there are rocks, but at least there is no seaweed, as on the other side there is another beach that was full with seaweed. So I'm assuming, based on the current, it goes to a specific location based on that. So today I have slept also quite a lot, but I have gotten just in time for the water aerobics at 11 a.m., which I did. They were nothing special, to be fair. Yeah, then another day, day 3, and it's time to do a beach adventure here in Port Vale, Mallorca, Spain. So let's head to the water and enjoy a nice swim inside. We have 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and let me check the temperature in the sea, as I have been only telling you the satellite temperature so far, which is 16.4 today, same as yesterday, but I have a thermometer with me, so why not put that to a test. And the satellite is also from, measurement is from Palma de Mallorca, the capital city of the island. So let's see if the east coast is slightly warmer than the south coast where Palma is located. As I measure, you can enjoy these nice views of this beach. So the thermometer says 21 degrees. So that's a lot warmer than Palma. I will measure it later again just to confirm, as I really don't think it is 21 degrees, but maybe it is. And maybe it's not cold, as cold as I thought that it is. So yeah, let's then take a swim here. The first one for today. Quite late. Quite late, but I'm on vacation, so it's good to enjoy a bit as well, right? And here, after the sandy entrance, it is some rocks here with seaweed, so I would just dive in here so I don't go in any further, as I already saw that it is 21 degrees Celsius here. So, alright, let's then head inside the water in the Mediterranean Sea. Quite nice. Not gonna lie. Refreshing and nice. Ah. Beautiful and interesting secluded beach here in Mallorca on the east coast, and I will be exploring a few more beaches here for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna be enjoying here a bit in the water for a while. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Adventures with Chris.